Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this Origami Dolphin. So, let's start. So take a square sheet of paper and let's start. By the way, if you don't have any, just check out this video. It shows you how to make one out of some regular A4 print paper. So we want to take the white side up here, that way my final side will be the blue. And I'm going to fold that top tip to the bottom and make a diagonal crease. And try to be accurate at the beginning, it's super important. Flatten. Now unfold, and we're going to make the same fold in the other direction. And flatten. Unfold. Alright, so now we're going to fold that top edge down to the intersection here, and at the same time we want to make sure the edges here stay aligned. Alright, now unfold, and now we're going to fold the right edge here to the intersection again, and same thing, we want to make sure the edges stay aligned. And flatten, unfold. Right, now we're going to fold the edge again, and this time we're going to fold it to that crease we just made. Now we're going to fold the layer up to the edge, to the top edge actually. Now we're going to fold everything down along that crease. And we're going to fold the bottom edge here back up and fold everything in half. Alright, now unfold, and we're going to repeat the same steps on that side. So you take the right edge and fold it to that crease here. Now we're going to fold it back in half vertically, right there. Now we're going to fold everything to the left according to that crease. And then we're just going to fold it back to the right. Now unfold. And we are going to get, so start at the top right here and go along the diagonal crease there. So go one intersection down, you get to that intersection. Now go one further down, so the second one, and we stop there. Once we have that, we want to pinch the point there, and we want to go make a crease all the way up to that corner up there. And once we've got that right there, we can just flatten everything. Now we're going to fold that edge back on top of it. So we also want to go all the way up to the corner. And here you don't have to be very accurate. If you don't manage to go all the way to the corner, it's not a big deal. Now we're going to fold down along that crease. And we're going to fold, I don't know if you see that point here where the diagonal line there meets the two straight ones. So right here, and once again go all the way to that corner. And you see I'm not making a good effort here, I'm just roughly going to the corner, there's no need to be more accurate. Now unfold, and we're going to repeat the same steps here. So we're going to go down 2 on the diagonal again, and that time we pinch it and we go all the way down to that corner and flatten. Now we're going to match the edge back up and go all the way to the corner once again. Now we're going to fold everything to the left along that crease and flatten. And we want to fold from this intersection here, the one where the diagonal line there meets the two straight creases. So we pinch here and we go all the way to the corner again. Alright, now unfold everything and we're going into the real collapsing and the interesting folding. So turn the model over and we're going to fold both exterior creases here at the same time. So look closely how I do it before folding on your paper. So just here and folding that down, and the other one at the same time. So I press both down and I'm going to take the tip and just pull it outwards. And here I'm just going to pop the tip to the top. Now we're going to push everything underneath. So I'm just pushing the layers behind. And once again, I'm just going to leave the tip here lying to the top. And now we're going to bring everything back to the front again along this crease and that one. There we go. And flatten. Now turn the paper around and we're going to fold along these two horizontal and vertical creases. So we're doing it at the same time, and this time I'll take the tip and bring it to the right, but you can also leave it at the top, it doesn't make any difference. Now I'm going to fold that bottom edge to the top. By the way, if I'm going a bit fast, you can just go in the settings down here and you can lower the speed. That way you can get a better understanding of the tutorial. And flatten. Now unfold and we're going to fold that left edge all the way to the right. And we're going to align both edges here. Alright, now turn the model over and we're going to fold that tip here all the way to the top corner there. So we're doing a diagonal crease and flatten. Now we're going to fold both of these flaps and we're going to match them along that line. Now unfold and turn the model over, and we want that tip to the bottom, facing towards the bottom, and now just press on the middle here and bring everything down to that point. So first the two sides right there, and now I'm just going to press on the top layer. By the way, if you like the paper I'm using, it's really good. I recommend you would buy it. I've left a link in the description. Now flatten, and we're going to fold that edge here to the middle crease. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. And flatten. Now unfold, and we're going to make a petal fold. So take the bottom tip here and bring it all the way up and press it down. That way the paper will naturally collapse into place. And we've already have the creases here, so I'm just going to pinch on them so that they get into place correctly. Now we've got our first petal fold. I'm just going to bring the top tip all the way down here. Now turn the model over, and we're going to repeat the same sequence here. So I'm going to start on the left side, because the tail is going to be annoying if I start on the right side. And flatten. Now unfold, and I'm just going to move that layer of paper to the left so that I have the right side cleared to make my crease. So I'm just going to fold all of that to the middle crease and flatten and unfold, and we're going to do a petal fold again. Alright, so open up and press the paper down at the top. Now I'm going to turn that layer of paper to the right, and I'm going to do the petal fold on the left side this time. Perfect. Now we've got that, we're going to fold that tip all the way up to that intersection where we can see the tail that starts to reach out of the paper. Now once we fold it up to there, we want to put our index inside there and wriggle everything open, and now just press everything down to the left. Now do the same thing on the right side, so take the tip here and make it go all the way up, just there, and flatten. Now we want to make it go up there, pull it open and press everything to the right. Now we're going to fold the right tip here and we're going to make it go inside a bit. So there's no reference here, it's just something that you are going to choose, it's your taste. And now we're going to soften these angles, so just press the layers inside. Sorry, I'm hiding with my finger. I'm going to try and not do that. And I'm going to do the same thing right there. So I'm just pressing it inside. There we go. And now I'm going to close the first fin. Alright, now let's do the second fin. We're going to try and get roughly the same length when we fold the left tip to the right. Doesn't have to be exact, but really try and match it. Now fold the layers inside, right there. Do the same thing to the bottom here, and then we're once again going to fold the top parts down, and all our fins are ready. Now fold the tail downwards, just like this, and back at the top. And also while we fold it back at the top, we want to just raise the rest of the model, and here we want to put our index there, and just look at how I do it. So basically fold everything in half, like that. Now take that tip there and you're just going to pull it upwards. So this is quite a hard fold, but here I am. So you need to pinch here on the body. Alright, now once you've pinched the body down, you want to fold that left tip backwards and forwards again, but just a bit less paper. So we're just trying to get an idea of how the head will look like. Now we're going to fold the tip backwards to soften the mouth a bit. And also I think it looks good like that, so I'm just going to unfold it and make it in reverse fold. So open up from the bottom, do a mountain fold there, and fold it back out again. And before you close everything, just take the tip and pull it inside. Now close everything. And we've got the dolphin's mouth. We've got the front, how do I call them? I can't remember. Now let's do the top part here. You just want to pinch it a bit to make it distinct from the body. There we are. And now we just need to do the back flip. Sorry, not the back flip, the back flip, the rear one. So just open everything up from the top. Alright, so just pull everything apart, and you need to be careful not to tear the paper. Alright, and here we have the rear flip. Now I'm just going to shape the front ones a bit. And here we have our final origami dolphin. Now if you've managed to fold this dolphin, I'm sure you'll have no problem at all making that amazing origami eagle. So just have a look at this video, you're going to have great fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.